4:09 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Millersville, moving northeast at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Lancaster, Columbia, Lidditz, Millersville, Willow Street, Manheim, East Petersburg, Leola, Salunga and Landisville, Rothsville, Mountville, and Leacock. Stay inside a well-built structure and keep away from windows. Very heavy rainfall